Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to export your projects in Descript. So exporting a project from Descript is easy, it's simple, but there are many options and this is great. So let's go into our project. On the top right, you'll see the export button. Click on this. Now, we can export the video, okay? And here you can see you'll have your destination. So you'll either have a Descript web link, a local export. You can export it directly to YouTube or any other space over here. Now, this is fantastic. You can choose the resolution. You can give it different access. So if it's a web link, then you can change the access from public to a little bit restricted. If you do want to remove the watermark, then you will have to upgrade, as well as having it in 4K or from 1080 up. Now, if you want to just export the audio, click on audio, choose your destination. You have some export options. So either your current composition, you can also see over here that you can have your current scene, and then you can also upgrade for additional options. You can change your format as well as some more advanced options such as channel sample rate. You can also normalize your volume, and then you can go ahead and add in the metadata and change the language. If you would like to export your timeline, now your timeline will be in a format over here that will be able to be read within Descript or any other tool like that. So over here you can see these are the tools that you will be able to export them for, and this will allow you to then take this project directly from Descript and put it into whatever tool that you'd like to use here, and it'll be in the same format. So it'll be in your timeline format. Now, of course, there are some additional options here. So you can include the media files in export. You can skip previously downloaded media files. You can create a track for each file. And then there's a logic compatibility. So this strips spaces from file names. And then we have our transcript. Now, let's say you just want to export your transcript. Here you can choose your format. Here you can include a bunch of different things such as markers, texts, highlights. And then you can click on export. And then we have subtitles. Here you can see that it's either in an SRT file or a VTT file. So this is a subrip title file or a video text file. And then you can either have the speakers showed on or off, maximum characters per line, and then maximum lines per card. And then you can click on export. So there are many ways to export your projects from Descript.